Hello Janta, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about the second scenario, when to use type annotation. Okay, so when to use type annotation. Okay, so this is our second scenario, when you declare a variable in one line and the variable in another line. Okay, so this is the situation. That time we have to use type annotation. Okay, let's took one example. Okay, suppose I created one variable. Okay, that's name is suppose. Again I initialize it with true, a boolean value. Okay, so what TypeScript is doing, it is guessing the type here. So type inference is working here. Okay, it is guessing that suppose variable is of type boolean. Okay, suppose I am declaring the variable here and initializing it in another line. Okay, that time our type inference will not work and it is assigning it as any type. Okay, so we are going to check this with an example. Okay, I know that example is silly, but what we are going to do is we are going to create one simple array. Okay, and we are going to loop through that array and going to find out particular word from that array and assign a boolean to particular variable. Okay, let's look into an example. Okay, so I created one array. uh, I know this example is silly, but I just want you to understand when to use type annotation. Okay, is found. Okay, so I am going to loop through this words array. Words dot length. Okay, I plus plus, and what I am doing here is I am going to compare the words of I triple equals to green. Okay, I am comparing here, and what I am doing is found equals to true. I am assigning true to as found variable. Okay, so what I am doing here is I am declaring variable here is found and I am initializing it here. So what it is showing is TypeScript guesses it as any type. Okay, so what I can do here is I can simply do this thing. Okay, and it will guesses that it is of boolean type, or I can do this thing like boolean. Okay, I am doing here is a type annotation. Okay, so just want to show you how I can deal with that any type now. So I am doing this thing, I am adding this type annotation here with is found. So now TypeScript have basic idea that this variable can store boolean. Okay, otherwise it is expecting anything. Okay, so a simple error line actually I am getting here. Variable is found implicitly has any type, but a better type may be inferred from usage. Okay, so what is the meaning of this is I have to do like manually type annotation here. Okay, and this way like that error is gone. Okay, so basically this is the second scenario when to use type annotation. Okay, so in next video we will see the third scenario when to use type annotation. Okay, So stay tuned with the channel. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.